Ang opinion ninyo na nababali-balita na ang posibleng mag-preside sa impeachment ay si Chis Escudero.
Oo, nagulat rin ako doon kasi may nagsabi sa akin, una nagulat ako doon sa resolution na napasa ng Gatchalian-led na in-author ni Senator Zubiri, kung saan sinabi nila the majority will decide on who will be the presiding officer, which is contrary to our Constitution. The Constitution says the presiding officer for the President and all other positions is Chief Justice.
Justice.
Vice President is Senate President. So I was thinking, I think dito ko rin yung sinabi na in another show na napaka-importante na ang background ng Senate President may law dahil sa jurisprudence. Not the knowledge of rules and everything. It's essentially yung mapapalalim yung diskurso, mali ang iyong opinion kasi ganito yung jurisprudence dyan. Tapos nagulat ako na may ganong resolution na na-approve ka agad that would allow whoever is the majority to name the Senate, the presiding officer. And it turns out part of the agreement with Senator Escudero to cross is the ability to be the presiding officer.
Hindi ba magandang balita yan para sa supposedly pro-Sara Camp?
Magandang balita dahil lawyer at nakita naman natin si Senator Escudero nung sinabi niya yung rason sa forthwith at siya ay sinang-ayunan ng Korte Suprema. Nakakatakot lamang kasi kung ang dahilan ng pagtawid niya ay concession doon, medyo baka hindi maging balanse. Pero ako ay humahawak pa rin doon sa punto na 16 ang votes needed to convict. As far as I'm concerned, until today, the 16 is very hard to come up.